All right. So when your software sometimes is not up to date as compared to your operating system, uh, there are reasons we need to update our system. We need to keep updating. Your iPhone keeps giving you pop-ups that the new iOS is here. You need to update it, because if you do not, the software that comes with it, or sometimes the programs that you run on it, are not going to be compatible with each other. So in such a system, sometimes our operating software is faster, or our downloaded program or the software is faster, so they are incompatible with each other, due to which there are hang-ups, crashes while you're working with your device, which can cause loss or corruption of data. So you need to have an updated system at all times. The last is an incorrect computer operation. That now again I explained earlier that if you do not follow the proper protocol of removing a memory stick or an external hard disk, or a memory card, let's suppose, so there's a possibility that the data that is over there can get corrupted, because when you have connected an external software, it communicates almost instantaneously with your device system, your computer system, and while the communication is happening, it's constantly giving your computer access to the data there, so that you can view it and work with it all the time. If you suddenly just remove it without telling your computer that I'm about to remove this externally connected device, there's a probability that during that communication, which is happening all the time, some of the data gets lost or corrupted, and it cannot be recovered. So the best thing is to always follow the protocol of disconnecting an external hardware. Over here, most of the time you get the icon of hard drive connected, and you press the button over there and it tells you it's now safe to remove your external device. Okay? Also, if you do not follow the proper shutdown procedure, which we are very used to doing now that we have laptops with us, if we don't shut it down, we just put the lid down and then we go our way. Now your computer needs to be told that we're done right now. When you do that, you just put the lid down. After some time, the computer has to figure it out itself that okay, there's nothing happening right now, so I need to maybe, sometimes it goes to sleep, sometimes it just stays there, keeps up using up your battery. But while doing that, there's a probability that some of your unsaved data, and sometimes saved data as well, can get corrupted. So for your laptop, it's recommended that you shut it down at least once every 24 to 48 hours, okay? Because it needs to update as well. Otherwise, you at least need to put it to sleep. When you put it to sleep, it leaves all of its data is still left in the RAM, okay? But it needs sort of stops working on it, okay? So when you shut it down without telling it, the RAM is still working on your data, and there's a possibility that suddenly it just switches off and all the data that was there in the RAM sort of gets deleted. When you put it into sleep, it stays in the RAM, it gets saved to the last point where you worked, and when you wake it up again, all of that data is still there. Okay? So there has to be you have to properly follow the shutdown procedure, again, to avoid the first thing backups, and then following the correct procedure. So all of these ways that you can lose or corrupt your data, I'm sure they're not anything new essentially. And to protect your data, there's nothing very sort of complex over here. The first thing you need to do is backup, and the second thing is constantly regular saving of data. ठीक है. So save data on a regular basis and you will be able to avoid all of these problems most of the time. ठीक है. I hope there weren't any problems in this lesson. If there are, just post them on the Google Classroom and we'll get to them once I am back in the class.